is not real. Daniel cannot accept it. He is fixated on the one aspect of his legal discovery that says he might have had contact with the real Tina Vanderwall. Once, he is truly unable to differentiate between the two parties, the troll Tinas and the one time that the real Tina Vanderwall contacted. After talking about all the Grace stuff first, Daniel would call back later to talk about how his life had been incarcerated, painting a very bleak picture, one of mistrust towards Bob and guards who are very aware of his meme status.